go, dog, go! Dog, little, big dog, little dog, big and little dogs, black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? No, I don't. Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in, 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on the blue tree, blue dog on the red tree, a green dog on the yellow tree. Cars going around in cars again. A dog out of a car. 2 big dogs going up, 1 little dog going down. The green dog is up, the yellow dog is down, the blue dog is in, the red dog is out. The blue dog up on a house. 3 big dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree, a yellow dog under a tree. A dog in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. Dog under the water. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? No, I don't like it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Dog's going around again. Go around again! It's hot up here over the house. It's not hot here under the house. Now it's night. 3 dogs on the boat at night. Dogs work, play, dogs play. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? No, I don't like it. Goodbye, goodbye. Dogs in cars again. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dogs, stop. Go, dogs, go. Dogs play up on top. Don't go up there, go down. It's night. Now it's not time for play. It's time for sleep. Now it's time for the dog to get and he's still sleeping. That baby dog. Teeny little one. Dogs in cars again. Where are they going? They're going to that big tree over there. What would they do over there? Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. Now look where they're going, to the tree, Up they go to the top of the tree. What's up there? Are we going to play there? Are we going to work there? What's on top of that tree?